안녕하십니까, 니콜라스입니다. Today we are going to talk about why Java is named Java, why Ruby is named Ruby, why Python is named Python. Let's get started with Java. Java was first going to be called Oak, like the tree, because that tree was growing outside of the offices of one of the designers of Java. The problem was that they couldn't name it Oak because it was already trademarked. There was already a company with that name. So the lawyers came back to the team and they told them to come up with a new name.
He fucked up.
And what the team was is that they went into a room and they started to do brainstorming of some names. And some of the options that they got were, for example, DNA or Silk or WRL, which means Web Runner Language. And thankfully, they arrived to the name Java. Java is also a kind of coffee, and it's also an island on Indonesia. So that's why you see that the logo of Java is like a hot cup of coffee. Then we got a programming language called Kotlin. Kotlin is directly inspired by Java and is actually like an improvement of Java. Kotlin is made by a company called JetBrains. That company is a Russian company. And because Java is also an island on Indonesia, JetBrains named their programming language after a Russian island. Then we have JavaScript. JavaScript was first called Mocha, like the coffee plus chocolate preparation. But then they switched from Mocha to LiveScript. And at that point in time, Java was super popular. So what they wanted to do was like a marketing trick, and they changed the name LiveScript to JavaScript, hoping that people thought that JavaScript was going to complement Java, and they just wanted developers to basically be interested in JavaScript. And it looks like it worked because now JavaScript is one of the most popular languages. C was named after a programming language called B, because many of the things that B had, C got influenced by. Then we got C++. On the programming word, plus means increment. So basically, it's like an increment of C. So C++ means like C plus 1. And then we got C#. On the music word, when you play a note and you put the sharp, that also means an increment on the note. It should be played a tone higher. So on the music word, sharp is an increment. On the programming word, plus is an increment. And if you look at it, C# is basically C with 4 plus. Ruby is a programming language created by an Ilbon Saram, and this programming language was directly inspired by Perl. Perl is like a precious stone, and it's also another programming language. So what the creator of Ruby wanted to do was also name his language like a precious stone, so he chose Ruby. Python was named after a comedy show called Monty Python. People think that Python was named after a snake because the creator of Python loves snakes. It's not true. The creator of Python loved a comedy show called Monty Python. And now, if you're wondering, Go was created by Google, so that's why we have the Go part. The name of the mascot of Go is, and he is an animal called Gopper. And Rust was also named after a fungus because the designer of Rust kind of liked those sort of organisms, so that's why he made it. Nothing much on that name, not much story behind it. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know on the comments, if you made a programming language, what name would you choose? Thank you for watching again. Don't forget to be happy. Don't forget to eat kimchi. 사랑해요 and 감사합니다. Bye bye.